So, I have to say, mistakes were made. I ended up deleting my world. And I just kind of decided since I deleted my world, I can start over and maybe make a YouTube video about it. So, if you're interested in creating a modded Minecraft server, um, I can kind of, you know, give you a little idea what that might be like. So, without further ado, the first thing I want to do is we're going to get uh, the Forge downloader, and I think we'll go with the 1.19.2, and we have a couple of options here. Let's get this. And I have my little download folder. And I think I'm just going to make Forge loader there. And save that. And that goes there. Now, what you see here is a putty window. That's a program that's just an SSH client. If you want to ask me any questions about that, or have me do a video, I can do that. It's kind of fun stuff, but it does allow me to access my storage server, and the storage server is where my Minecraft server is going to run. And right now I have created, and this server is running Linux. Right now it's Ubuntu 22. I have already installed Java, so right now my Java version is 17, which is what the latest version of Minecraft run on. I don't have any directories here, but I generally like to set up several different versions of Minecraft. I like mod packs and stuff like that. So the first thing I want to do is create a directory of, so I'm going to call it my modded, and then ls, and there it goes, my modded. Of course, this is Linux, so you got to be careful. Okay, and as you can see, there's nothing in there. The next thing I want to get into is, yeah, we'll update that. This is a program called WinSCP. Okay, and here's all of my files that are on my Windows computer, and then I can access that, and since this is here, I can just pull this over, and there we go. Now we go over here and we see Forge is in there. So the next thing to do is we will run this jar file. You go java-jar and then type in the Forge, and if you hit tab, you can usually get the command line to autofill. And the next option is going to be tell it, you're basically telling Java and the jar file it's going to be, we're going to be installing a server. So you don't need the graphical user interface. And I hope this is the right thing, because, you know, otherwise you're going to get to see me try to figure that out. Yep, it didn't like that. So was it this? Oh, no, no. Didn't like that either. So there we go. Just what does it do? Yeah, that's it. That's it. I didn't use the right, had the right option. Okay, I did use the wrong extension, which is fine. So it'll go back this to here, and it ends up it's install server, which is like so. And you got a capital S there, and then you just do this. And then there we go. And this just takes a little bit. And that is installed. We can do this. And there's not too many files there right now. So you can see right here, run sh is what we're going to run. In Linux, you type dot / and then run, because that's how you tell the operating system that run.sh is in the current directory. And then you get all of these files. Well, I get all of these messages. And as you can see, it added more files in there. But we need to agree to the EULA agreement. And we just have to change false to true. Then Control X and Y and yes, EULA text, and there we go. And I'm just hitting the up arrow, and that runs you through the list of previous commands that have been done, and then I can go right back to run.sh and run it again. And we see that it is running. It is getting everything loaded up. It's not going to stop at a EULA or nothing. It is building a world right now. And once you start seeing it say preparing spawn areas, you're just about there. And you know, in the future, when you run this, it's probably not going to be as long. This is like the first run, so it takes a little time to build everything back up. Okay, so everything started up, it's running, and right now we don't have any mods on it, so we can go ahead and stop it. And then you can take a look and you'll see that it's added all of the files and stuff that you need to run. You can see your whitelist JSON file. This run bat, this is what you would use if this is installed on Windows. This run sh is sh for shell, runs on a Linux system. Okay, so inside of the run shell, is the script for running the Forge application that is going to allow us to use mods in 1.19.2. And as you can see, it's just saying Java, user Java argues text. It's also a possibility, like you might have to use and this is a little trick, if you run different versions of mod packs and they require a different version of Java, instead of just having Java here, you put the command line to the Java for program for the particular version of Java, and there's some internet resources on how to kind of figure that out. Right off the top of my head, I don't remember, but I'll probably do another video and show doing that, because there is a mod pack I like, or have been playing for a while, Project Dozen 3, which I just managed to delete. So that one is going to runs a different version of Java. I think it's like Java version 8. But anyhow, that's just to give everybody a look at what the run.sh file is like. I usually do a different setup, and this is what I like to do. So this is a bash script file, so it has to start off with money sign, exclamation mark, and then bin bash. The neat thing about these scripts is you can, you know, even in a bat file, you can put in the things you normally would, like at a command line. Like for Linux, if you want to change directories, you just say cd and then write down the directory. In this case, I want this shell, when it runs, to make sure I am in the Minecraft servers my modded directory, and once it's in that directory, it's going to run. It's going to, well, actually, it's going to do this. Now, a little while later, I'm going to add some more functionality that'll allow me to restart these things, but I'm just not going to get into that yet. Okay, so we'll do this. So there's my start, and if you want to make, of course the shell has to be executable to run. So chmod +x start.sh, we hit enter, we do ls, and you can see start.sh turn green. We can do a little test to see if it works. And yeah, I made a mistake. Use the wrong slashes here. There we go. Yeah, these are it's backslashes for Windows, // for Linux. Okay, I have no excuse. Sometimes I'm just not a very bright boy. Okay. So I just did a Control C. What is with my? Oh, that's why. I made yet another mistake. I've done this before. I've had this set up a different way before, and I completely forgot how I set it up before. But this will still work. I just have to fix it. So because I do not have this in a folder called Minecraft servers. Good, not a very bright boy sometimes. So we'll try this again. And there it goes. Now, let's say we delete this one, and I'll have to delete that one too. No, I won't delete that one. All right, so this program here is in Windows. It's called Multi-MC, and I think this is like a really cool thing to use when you do modded. It kind of simplifies a few things, but you can create a new instance. In this case, I want to do a 1.19.2, and then I want to go over here and edit it. So I'm going to use the Forge version that I used to run the current server. You see that went a little bit faster. And Forge version 4.3.1.3, so 4.3.1.3, we'll do that. Click OK, and then we'll launch this. And we'll see if it runs. And again, this is another situation where it takes a while to load since this is a new installation. In the future, when you run this again, it's just going to go slower or faster. But there it is. It is loaded. I like to change my video settings so it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. Okay. And we can actually go into this and we can add a server. And port. And done. And there it is. We can actually log into it. And there we go. A 1.19.2 world. But it's not modded. So we'll get out of this. We will quit this. And then we're going to go stop. And what are we going to do next? Well, we're going to get into the wonderful internet here and go to a place like CurseForge. And Minecraft. And we're going to look at mods. And we're going to select 1.19.2. And this is right now sorted by popularity. So we have JEI here, and we'll go to files and we'll just kind of take a look and see what the latest game version is for it. And looks like they don't have anything much higher than 1.18.2, though there is this release of 1.19, but I'm not going to try it. However, I may have to try it because I don't think there's anything else quite like it. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so we'll go back here. I'm going to make a new folder. 1.19.2. I will call that mods. And we will save. And then we go back over here and you can click on loader mods right here in the multi MC5, and we'll add this in, and I need to go to downloads and Minecraft and those mods and select that and open, and it puts it in there, and then we just do a launch. And this is a process where we're going to check and make sure our mods actually load. And so far, good sign. And the other issue though is we would have to well, I guess we'll just go through that process. Okay, so I know this will work and load. we'll go back here. I have stopped this. So we'll go back over here and go up a level. We'll go into this. Over here. We'll go up and then we'll go back in. Of course, we'll have to refresh it. There we go. So this is the mods folder. So you just, for in the WinSCP program, you can just easily do this, and it does a transfer. Then over here, we will go ahead and do a start. And we'll let it load. And then we can go over here, go into the multiplayer. Hit E, and there's the JEI. Okay, we're moving. Oh boy. So, there we go. All loaded up. It's a happy world. So, we quit Minecraft again and hit stop for the server. And then let's find more mods. I do like mouse tweaks personally. And we can see what the most recent files are. There we go. Okay. So his latest 1.19.2 is this one. And it's for Forge. So we'll download it. Do a little save there. We'll go back over here. And it's a bit of a tedious process. But why is it? Alright, hang on folks. I've got Windows here. Okay, not sure what's going on. Okay, anyhow. So, back to our loader mods. There's mouse tweaks. We will open this and do a launch. So at this point, all we're going to do is start up Minecraft and see if we get it to go to the home, or to the first home screen there. And if we see this load up, no errors or nothing, then we know that this mod will work on the server as well. So we can quit that. We can go back over to the WinSCP, and then we just drag over, and we've got one more mod that we can play. And let's see what else we can get going here. Journey map is one of my favorites. So we will make sure we get a 1.19.2 version. All right. So there are Fabric and Forge versions. and this is the beta, but we'll download it and then we will try it. Okay, so back to our loader mods. There's the journey map. Yeah, we'll do a launch. And drum roll, please. Blammo. It loaded up. Now, if you really kind of want to make 100% certain, you could always load and go into your server or just a local player file. And that way you know it's working in game 2, but what I'm doing is just gets me to where I want to be quicker. Mainly, and of course I like to do it this way because if there's anything that does world generation, then I want to make sure the world generation gets done too. Okay. So we now have journey map. So we'll just kind of look through here. Nature's Compass. I like this little mod. I like it a lot. So we will load and save. And we will add it. And then we'll see if it will launch. And if you didn't really already know, you can go in here and see all the mods. Okay, but we will quit because there's got to be more mods. Waystones. I think waystones are cool. I really, really do. Okay, so that would be the latest one. We will download it. And there was something, it requires bomb. And it will work for 1.19.2. So we will download that one as well. Go back into our loader mods. And we will add the waystones. If you hold Control and left click, then we can add both of the bomb and waystones at the same time. And let's do a launch. And it loaded again, and we can go here and see there's the bomb, and then there's waystones. Okay, I think that is just making this modded Minecraft version I'm building here pretty cool. Alright, what else do we have here? And this one I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to, because this tells you about where all of the ore generation stuff is, and you know, I like that. So let's look at this, and I guess that is the latest version. We will see if it works. Back to our loader mods, we will add and open. There's our just enough resources, so let's see if it runs. Nice, very nice. So, made quite a bit of progress here. So the next thing we can do, just for fun, is drag over the ones we've tested so far. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Those are a match. We can go back to the server here. We'll look at the multiplayer here, and it looks like it says it is ready. Let's log in. There we go. We have the mini map up in the top right corner there. We have our, I don't think we'll have any new stuff shows up over here just yet. But it's usually, oh yeah, there's the waystones. Very nice. Very, very nice. And let's see, we'll type in iron. We'll do this. Of course, I don't see that the iron ore location thing is working. So there might just be some more to that. But we may just have to figure out whether there is a configuration there or not. But I guess we'll just see if we can find some more mods. Of course, sometimes it might say. Okay. Let's go to page 2 here. Not the biggest fan of biomes of plenty, but there is applied energistics. I can't talk today. And let's see. There is a 1.19 Forge version. We'll try this out and save and go into loader mods and we'll add and we'll see if it works. And that one works. I wonder. Yeah, just enough resources. Huh. I wonder why that's not showing up. Any hoozle. Applied energistics is working. That's awesome. What else? I do like this mod here. Right, we will download this one. And let's see if Minecraft will load. Go over here, and there's elevator mod. Fantastic. Let's see what, oh, mechanism. So we'll download this. And I want to say I thought this might have had some sort of dependencies, but maybe not. But we'll hold that right there, because after we determine whether the mechanism is going to run for us or not, we can look at the generators and stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry. Just had to change some title information here. So, it loaded. Woo! We can use mechanism. That is outstanding. So, another thing is generators. Because power generation is just handy. And we will add that in. And see how that one goes. All right. That is loading. That is awesome. Now, I know I find this to be a tedious thing to do, and you know, if you're wondering why we do it this way, I think my main reason I like to do it, I prefer doing it, I like doing this, is that you can kind of build a little bit lighter pack. Not as many, there's fewer mods. I mean, I like mod packs, but sometimes I just kind of look at mod packs and I'm like, they're really heavy, kind of over the top things. And I'm just kind of like, I don't know if I really like it. It takes, I don't know, they take a long time to load, They are so full of things that, you got, I don't know, it's kind of like they just try to throw everything in there plus the kitchen sink. And, if you don't need the kitchen sink, then why install it, right? I mean, don't get me wrong, I like cooking for blockheads, but in fact, I hope, if they haven't done it already, I hope there's a mod for it. But there we go. Those are the mechanism mods, and the ones I kind of like. So, now the one thing I haven't seen yet is the one probe, but maybe I've already gone by it. I don't know. I think I do want to try Dark Utilities. I do kind of like this mod pretty well. Now, if anybody happens to know of the mod that allows you to make configuration changes for your mods, I'd love to know what that is, or if even such a thing exists, just so you can change settings. Oh, mystical agriculture. Go try it. Okay, we will download. Alright, it says it requires the cucumber library. And there is the latest. Agriditions. What does this do? Oh yeah, Insanium. I mean, we gotta have Insanium, right? I mean, come on. Why be sane? Okay, so in this case, we have a mod here that we're going to add, but we need to do some things first. Since it does have this required library, we're going to try to run the library just by itself. And there is something about bookshelf. Bookshelf is not. This is bookshelf 16 or above. There we go. So we'll go back here. And let's just click here. There we go. And bookshelf, which version do you have? There we go. Alright, so we have Cucumber Library. We're going to add bookshelf. And then we're going to run it. All right. So I'm wondering if there is something in here. I'll mention why. Getting lots of errors. That's, you know, this red text. See if there's anything about those just enough resources. Well, not really seeing anything jumping out at me. So, you know, just gonna have to do a little bit further research at some point. Okay. So, what are we gonna do next? We're gonna see if mystical agriculture will load. I am not seeing mystical agriculture. I wonder why. Alright, we'll have to check something out. Then what I'm going to do is just create a little test world that'll run on my client computer. And this is, you know, all kind of part of the troubleshooting you gotta do. So we'll call this test world, if I could spell. I'm gonna make this creative. And we're just gonna check and see if mystical agriculture shows up under the JEI or not. Mangroves. Okay. So there's applied energetics things. That's cool. With these are getting, there's the dark utility stuff, the elevator mod, the mechanism, more mechanism stuff. And no mystical agriculture. So it's not loading for whatever reason. Okay, which version did I download? So I wonder what this, there is another file here. What is this about? Let's try this. Oh, no, that says API too. So let's cancel. Hmm. Well. Hmm. So I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's loading, but well, we'll try some other things. Um, we've got cucumber and that. Maybe it needs the whole, all three of these. You never know. Mystical Agriculture is not installed. Hmm. Maybe, just maybe. I grabbed the wrong thing. That's what I'm betting on. I meant to download this one, but I downloaded something else instead. I bet that's the issue. Okay, yeah. Stick with me here, folks. There we go. All right. Let's see. There we go. I just put the wrong one in. Isn't that how it goes sometimes? Okay. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, yeah, enter storage. There we are. We will download. add. And we will run. Just enough resources, fabric. Oh, I think I realized where my mistake was, folks. Oh boy. How did I? So, let's look through these versions here. So that one's fabric, this one. Okay, it's probably this one. So our good news is we need Code Chicken Library 4.3.0. But we also need to fix a few things. Just enough resources. Remove. Just enough resources here. Let's just delete that one. All right. Actually, I thought that would be here somewhere. Stones. Okay, so we'll add Code Chicken. And see if we have success here. Oh look, just enough resources. Hopefully the correct version. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with gas. Let's check out this test world. There we go. He's like, oh, there we go. World Gen. It's a beautiful thing, folks. A beautiful thing. Oh man, I'm just loving it. Absolutely love it. Okay. We'll quit this. And let's see what other wonderful mods we can add in. Ooh, XNet. I kind of like XNet myself, you know. Alright, and then we need RF tools base. And the one probe. And, you know, against my better instincts, I may just add all that stuff at once. And we will see how this goes. RF tools base. Yep, I missed that one. Woo! This is going good. So we'll do a little quick transfer of things here. So bookshelf and code chicken and cucumber, dark utilities, elevator, Ender storage. We got JEI. We have journey map, just enough. Well, we need the correct, just enough resources. And the McLitty thing, mechanism, and the generators, and the tools. We got mouse tweaks, mystical aggregations, mystical agriculture. We have nature's con. We need RF tool base. We need the one probe. Have ways to, and then we just need XNet. moving right along. Don't know. Yeah, I would have been right there. Let's see. I think this is just... Oh, they only do fabric. Yeah, that one just does not interest me. I think there's another one called Corpse that I like a lot better, so I might go with that one. Mob grinding utils. We'll try this. In compact machines. So let's go. Try mob grinding utils. Okay, I just need to take a momentary break and I will be right with you. Alright folks, I'll be right back. Okay, I have returned. Oh, goodness. So, let's see. Okay, so let's find the compact machines and see if that'll work. And yep, had to go feed my cats, all 5 of them, and then my dog. He needs his medication. He's a pit bull and Great Dane mix, 85 pounds, and he's got anxiety. He's a rescue. But I think he's doing all right. When we got him, you couldn't even hardly touch his head without him freaking out. And now you can scratch his head and rub his neck and everything like that, and he doesn't get upset or nothing. It's so cool. It's so encouraging when you have an animal like that. And oh, mod menu. I think that's the thing I need too. I never use integrated dynamics very much because it just confuses me at times, but I do like the trees. I really do. But yeah, dog was a rescue, and you know, I don't know, you know, maybe judge me because of I like the idea of you know, being the hero to a dog, but you know, he's a good dog. He's actually you know, sweet, and he's kind. He's got a really awesome big wolf. He's or not that big, but it just scare you. Oh, so Cyclops core and common capabilities. Hmm. But I don't know. My parents would never allow dogs in the house, and I can't deny. Dog can make a good bit of mess, and I'm not talking about poo or nothing. I mean just everything they track in, dirt, he sheds, and you know, I just love the guy. Okay, let's see. Nice. Very nice. I mean, I don't know. How do you feel about that? Having a hmm. Well, I think I pretty much got the same thing. Yeah. Oh, his fur fabric. Okay, never mind. Oh, cyclic. Yeah, I don't see any 1.19. Farming for blockheads. The market's cool. Oh, simple storage network. This one I like because it doesn't require just a whole lot to have a storage system that it's almost like JEI or um, uh, what's that other storage? Refined storage, yeah. That's some good stuff. So, what about you guys? Have you rescued a forever companion? Do you have a wonderful dog in your life? Do you have a dog that, you know, climbs up in the bed next to you and snuggles up and, you know, just makes you feel like you're the most important person in the world? Because if you got that, you got yourself a pretty good dog. Well, this is pretty good. This is a lot of mods that I really do like to have. I do want to try to find one for when you know you die in games, so you don't lose all your stuff. I'd like to find a mod like that. I know there's a mod for that, but I don't know if this dude is the guy that makes it has turned it into 1.19.2 or not. Probably should try integrated tunnels. We'll downloady. This is the one I like. I like it. I like it a lot. Because really, that other one may be cool, but I'm kind of like, you know, you go back to just a grave, you know? I'm like, there's more than a grave there. It's a corpse there. Jeez, you know? Okay, so I know I grabbed a couple of mods there, so there's corpse. So hopefully both of those will work. Come on, come on. And that is working. Ooh, I like this one. This one, it kind of does two things early, like it'll drop a tree with all the blocks and then it speeds up the leaf decay. I mean, I really like that a lot. That is like the best mod. The only thing you got to be careful of, though, is I put down a bunch of blocks along the side of a path I'd made, and I, put a block down wrong, and I used my axe on it, and it took out the whole entire thing. So something to watch out for. Look at that. That list is growing. Oh yeah. It's kind of exciting. Oh, trash cans. I kind of like the trash cans model a bit. I'll let that one lunch. I'm going to roll back here and just kind of look. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I guess we should give this a try. Super Martin. Super Martin J. Okay. Not a problem. Hopefully he linked the dependency. Is there relations? There we go. That is the stuff. And what else do I downloaded another thing, didn't I? And that thing is, what did I download? Project E. Yeah, we'll throw Project E in there. I'll see if this works. So, I don't know why I had has issues with that. Okay, let's see what we have. Project E. Going. This is probably about the smoothest mod pack installation or custom mod pack job I've ever done. Usually I have like 3 or 4 of these that I have issues with. I like this mod. I think it works really well. Ooh, is that what I think it is? Oh, pipes. I think this pipes mod works pretty well. And of course I played it in 1.19, but we'll see if it'll work in 1.19.2. Okay, let's do our testing. Which needs to be iron furnaces first. Okay, now we're just getting into the other stuff. Storage wise. Oh, that loaded. I would really like to find the iron chest. Which I don't see. Let's try this, see if it'll work. So, iron furnaces will add. What I need to add next? That was pipes, right? Yeah, pipes. Oh, darn. Pipes is not going to work. That's disappointing. Which might mean the iron chest may not work, but you know. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? Yeah. That sounds good. Okay. Tons of fun, but we kind of need to get things going to see how this is going to work, because I got other things that I want to do. Common capabilities. So we'll make sure we get all the things transferred over. Falling trees. Integrated dynamics, integrated tunnels. Iron chest. Furnaces. Jitty mechanism, all three of those. Mob grinding utils didn't have that. Mount twig, mystical. One probe, trash cans. Okay, yeah. So these are all, this matches, that matches, so we have the same mods on the server and the client. But, some resource packs, yeah. Towers. back to here, resource packs, and we will add, and we will find this. I do the launching, and I don't think the resource pack has to be here, does it? Yeah, I don't see the same situation there. Anyhow, we can exit this. And let's see if maybe for a newer version. Okay, well. Hopefully it works. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that builds up our mod pack. But the next thing I want to do is just check out the server properties. Hello, Yuki. How are you doing? Allow flight, allow another broadcast difficulty. We will change that to hard. Force whitelist. And this is how you keep people from joining the server without your permission. He set that to true. You didn't even have to get permission. Function permission, game mode survival, structures equal true, generator settings. I'm not doing hardcore. Level name world. Now, usually, if you go in here and change that, that will create a whole nother world file. Okay, we'll call this Wildkurt modded. Okay. That is the change I like to make. I also like to do a screen thing, but we'll do the screen thing after we do the start the server thing. Then we'll start this again. Preparing level Wildkurt. And that tells you right there, it's creating a whole new world folder. And while I'm still waiting for that to crank up, I just need to step away for a moment. The food is up in there, bud. Yeah. Alright, it looks like we are spawned. The world has been created. So let's get in there and see what we will see. And there we are, folks. And let's see, simple storage and XNet, Project E, mob grinding utils, furnaces, integrated tunnels, integrated dynamics, mystical agriculture with all the wonderful seeds. Oh yeah. This look in, you know, I like the ender chest stuff. Little mechanism, and yep, it's all there. And the bugs. I really think mod should more. Oh look, there's the integrated dynamics tree. So, I mean, this looks great. Fantastic. So the next thing we can do though, because, you know, you're going to be, this is your server, right? So the next command we do is OP and then my player name. And now I am the server operator. So I have access to creative. Yeah. We can kind of fly around here a little bit. And, you know, there's some mechanism ore. What I really like to figure out is how do you get the thing up here over to the middle more. But, yep. This is all looking pretty good. It's running fairly smooth. There's a hole in the ground over here. We can kind of zip down and take a look and see what other things are generated. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Diamonds right out there in the open like that. Tin ore. Osmium. Yep. We are in good shape, folks. And dimensional shard ore. Yeah. This is good. Very, very good. Man. That's kind of cool. is going to be an interesting area to explore, I think. Alright, let's kind of get back over. And, oh, bees. Bees are fun. Another hole. Whoa, that is massive. Man. Okay. Yep, that works. What else we got? Nothing else in the inventory there. Okay. And then we can go. And this is a feature I wish they had for Bedrock, where you can just go in spectator mode and you can pretty much search the whole entire underworld, you know, or, you know, below ground. I like this, you know. I do this quite often, but yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, this is the second time I think I had this seed in another world that I was playing in, and I think it's the same problem. No lush caves anywhere to be seen. Not A1. Ugh, that's annoying. Anyhow, we'll get this game mode back to survival. And I'm going to disconnect because over here I like to kind of have this server run in like a daemon kind of a background process. So I usually make a script like this, and it runs, and it is a bin bash. Actually, don't need that there. But this is where we get into writing a script that will allow us to do a couple of things. Let's see. Okay, so there is this thing, select, going to be my modded. I'll also have a close my modded. Have another option that is going to be server running, and then another option for exit. Okay, do so I mod it, and then you do a thing like this. Okay, so there's a program called Screen, and actually I think I need to install that. Oh, it's already installed. Yes. So this is pretty, I like this program for running things in the background. Lots of options. And the options I like to use is the, let's see, CD, DMS name. So, I may do this. Take a little screenshot here. So I can look at these options. All right. So what do we got here? Okay. So we have my modded. We'll do screen. We do the dash and DMS. We're going to call it my modded. And the next thing and the next thing we do is say Minecraft my modded, and that spell right. Alright. So screen. But in this case, we're going to do a different option thing here. And let's see. That is where we say -x my modded and then we do, I think let me see if it's in there. There is an option called stuff. I think that's it. Okay. I think let's go like this. And if you didn't know, the little top hat symbol and an M is the command for enter. Okay. And then server running. Is this command. Okay, but I need to make some changes here. And these are just little things to help make this script be a little bit more readable. Okay, and then, and yes, that is case backwards. All right. Now we need to give the execute permissions to Sir Select. And let's see if this works. Let's try. Something like this. I have to apologize, folks. I am trying to. I did a menu thing like this before, but like I said, I had a issue. When I was doing an upgrade, and this is what happened. Screen right there. That's why. There. Okay. So, and there is the server running. I hit control, push down the control key and then go AD, and I can exit out of that. And there we go. And the nice thing about this little script is if you run it again, then you can just hit the option 2 and it will close. But I don't want to do that. But I do kind of want to make this look a little bit better. Yeah. So we'll add this and this. And I think I can do this. Okay. So let's do this again. So this tells you what the script will do. And then our selection there. Isn't that cool? Then we can exit out of that script. So we can add like another Minecraft server to run from this as well. But there was another little trick I would do where I would have a text. Let's see. So I'd make a file called and then what got closed. And is it running? No, because I closed it. But let's say I want to start it again. And it's running. So we exit out of that. And then let's look at running. And it just changed that to modded. Cool, huh? So I actually use that to automate a script, and that would be called restart server, but you actually do a thing where you retrieve the information inside that file. Which is something I have to figure out again. But I think I'm done for recording tonight, and I will do another stream. I don't know when, but when I do, just keep an eye on this channel. I hope y'all have a great night, and I hope you're all safe and blessed.